Wagwan KK Squad, it's your girl Curly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be starting on freshly washed and somewhat kind of stretched hair. Yeah, something like that. Anyways, I'm gonna be parting it straight down in the middle, and when I'm finished doing that, I'm gonna be parting it the sides just to make it a half up, half down type of look. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the next half away for now until I'm ready to do my high puff. But first, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be parting the hair into like a V. Listen, I don't even know how to explain this, but this is like a V part, a V look, like our triangle. Perfect, a triangle. And just give it a little spice, a little style, you know, something, a little kick. So I'm gonna be doing 4 of that in the front. Just keep watching and see what I do. But first, I'm gonna be putting these rubber bands into oil. It's more safe to use when the rubber band has oil on it. It won't snag your hair, pull your hair, or cause any breakage. Also, I'm gonna be using the black castor and flaxseed oil gel. This is from edeko. That's what I'll be using to style my hair. I don't know if you guys can see in this video, all my edges look thin out. I don't know what's been going on with my edges ever since I kind of slowed down on using the wild growth oil. I don't know what's going on, but it's just that side of my head. The edges don't look right, Rasta. I don't understand, because it just looked thin out. But anyways, that's besides the point. Them say be careful what you wish for, because I always talk about me tired of thick ear. I need my edges back, but it's growing back. It's growing back, guys. Start use back my wild growth oil and it's coming in. So as you can see, I brush it in, I sleek it in, I make it neat in. Well, the neatness not start yet. Wait until we reach down somewhere in the video. But just watch carefully how I do this.
She causing a scene outdoors, everybody watching we, all the in-laws. I don't want no problems, why you don't leave it? If this thing is love, then I really don't need it. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, let me live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up in my man. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is thunder. She up with business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Watch out, she business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh 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 eh. Oh oh, this can't be for real. Oh no, she waiting.
Okay, so I'm finished with the first half. As you can see, now I'm trying to comb out the back of the hair. Hey, ear dry now? It's not even dry, but it just looked dry on camera. Look at all the... No, sir, watch the gray ear there. That one strand of gray. Hey, Anyways, now I'm gonna be applying the gel on the back and just sleek up everything in a one ponytail. And just look how I get that nice sleek, listen, hair laid, slayed, everything type of look. Just watch carefully. So what I did was I cut my hair tie open so it's more easier to just get all this hair up in one. So as you can see, I just put it around my head and just slide it up and everything just snatched in, laid, slayed. The slay not come yet and the lay not come yet, but it's almost there, guys. We get in there. We get in there. I'm gonna be applying more gel on the hair before tying it down, and that's where you're gonna get the laid and slayed look. Let me tell you, it's a process, you know, guys. It's a process. You just have to trust the process. Yes, watch carefully as I do this.
Watch out, she misses out on the road. All we misses out on the road. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh 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 eh. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh 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 eh. Oh oh. Ah. Everything, all we misses out on the road.
Alright, so this is the part where I put on my scarf, and I'm trying to remember how long I left it on for. I left it, I think it's an hour until I was finished ready. I was actually going to a wedding on this day and I decided I wanted to wear my natural hair. And this was the hairstyle I came up with and just ran with it. So this is the part where I use the eco style gel on the ends of my hair and do that, what you call it, a shingle method, something raking method, something like that, where you use your finger and just like make it all, you know, make it work in the hair. So just keep watching and see how I get my ends curly with the eco style gel. Alright, so finish with that little section, and what I can say is the more it dry is the more curly it's gonna get. I just applied the gel so it's not much curl as yet, but just leave it for a while and it will get curly. I love it. I love it the way it is. Let me know what you think, guys. Anyways,
Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Oh, oh. What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Girl.
This is the final look. Comment down below your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, like it, share it, and also please remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.